So, if you have any type of mucus or phlegm stuck in your lungs, in your throat, or even the sinuses, which has been bothering you for a while, whether it is from a viral infection, bacterial infection, an allergy, or some other underlying conditions, there is a really simple, inexpensive solution for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Raylee. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, and you will definitely get value out of the video. So, can you give us a thumbs up? Thanks a lot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use salt to clear mucus from the sinus, the throat, and the lungs. I'll also tell you the best salt to use to effectively get rid of that persistent mucus or phlegm. So whether it is an asthma, tonsillitis, sore throat, sinus congestion, bronchitis, pneumonia, laryngitis, or any type of respiratory tract issue which produces a lot of mucus or phlegms, you can get rid of those mucus basically using salt. You see, salt is absolutely essential for life, and enough salt is essential for optimal health. People around the world have used salt since prehistoric times, and it is commonly found in many kitchens today. Salt has two essential micronutrients, that is sodium and chloride, with so many bodily functions. Now, most people don't know that the chloride component is what actually makes hydrochloric acid in your stomach to digest food better, absorb nutrients better, and prevent bacterial overgrowth and so many other things. So how does salt help us get rid of those mucus in our sinuses, our throats, and lungs? What is so special about salt? Well, salt has some antimicrobial properties. There's antibacterial, anti-yeast, antiviral, antifungal, anti-mold, and others. And the best salt type will be sea salt, which will include pink Himalayan sea salt, Celtic salt, and some other deep mine sea salt with no microplastics. These sea salt types also contain minerals like potassium and magnesium and so many other nutrients as well. And all the properties of sea salt helps break up thick mucus and expels them out of your body. This is why centuries ago, if you had a respiratory issue with mucus, you were recommended to go to the sea and just breathe in the breeze, or even take a bath in the sea. You see, taking a sea bath helps decrease skin dryness and even inflammation as well. It helps get rid of those mucus from the lungs, the sinus, and the throat. So how do we use sea salt to clear mucus from the sinus, the throat, and the lungs? Sea solution is one of the natural remedies, and I have what we call the Himalayan pink salt. You can use this or any other sea salt with no microplastic. You see, 1 teaspoon of this salt right here, or any sea salt without microplastics, dissolve in 1 glass of warm water, gaggle in your mouth, and then drink that. Very effective for mucus in your throat and lungs, and once a day is fine. You do that first thing in the morning. You can also use a neti or a neti pod for the mucus in the sinus. You can also go for what we call a halotherapy or halo generator if need be. But do we realize that we are actually a walking ocean? Do you realize that the concentration of salt compared to other minerals in our blood is the exact same as the ocean? That is pretty fascinating. So this is the end. Now, whilst we're on this topic, I think you need to watch this video right up here. Your health, your life. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. God bless you.